This is just a quick tutorial to look about assignments in the stream, how we can possibly make this better. Right now in the stream, the default version in Google Classroom is that the notifications will show up, which means that you will have, every time you post in classwork, you'll see something in the stream as well. You can move the messages up and down, but you can't sort them, and it gets very messy. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to your settings for your classroom. This is the default view. I want you to click on this general settings and click hide notifications. That way it'll go away and your stream can just be for any important announcements you want to share. You guys know if there are questions, you can contact me, but let's look at this on real version. So here's my class. Let's go back. Get rid of this first. Hold on a second. Okay. So here's my stream. Here's how you can see I have so much stuff on it. It's just, and this is the same stuff. These are assignments and questions that show up in classwork. So they really show up twice. So if you go to your settings, scroll down, classwork on the stream, click hide, click save. Give it a minute to do its thing. And now the stream is much clearer. So much easier for you.